Hey there, welcome to Biz Intelligence. In this video, I will show you how to provide smart page navigation option on your Power BI report. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. You can see I have sample IPL dashboard on my screen where I have multiple pages like venue stat, team, batting and bowling stat. So it is difficult for the user to navigate through these pages. So it is a good idea to provide page navigation button or option on your Power BI report. People use bookmarks and create multiple buttons for the different pages and create bookmarks for the different pages and assign them to these multiple buttons, which is not a smart way to provide page navigation. I will show you the smart way which will save your time, and that is going to be dynamic as well, and that will make easy for the user to navigate through these pages on your Power BI report. So first step that we are gonna perform is we will go and create one table which will have one field, and that will have list of page names we have in our Power BI report. So let's go to Home tab. Under Home tab, click on Enter Data option, which allows you to create data table manually, and here you need to provide name to this table. Let's call it page navigation, and here you need to provide the name to the field that we are going to create. Let's call it page names. Here you can type the values for this field. Here we are going to provide the list of page names that we have. I already have those page names on Notepad, and I will take these names. I can paste it here, just copy and paste. And once I'm done, I will load this data table in my Power BI model. Now I have table ready which has one field with list of page names. Now I'm going to create slicer here. So I will click on slicer and let's drag it over here, and you can format it as per your choice. But for this slicer, we are gonna drag this page names field from page navigation table which has list of page names. You can convert it into drop down list instead of list. You can format it so that it will look better. Okay, now I have my slicer ready. Now let's design one blank button here. Let's go to Insert tab, and under Insert you can see Buttons option. Click on this down arrow and let's click on blank button, and here we are gonna drag it just beside this slicer. Let's go to button text property, give a name to this button, text to this button, let's call it go, and you can design this button as well as per your choice so that it will look little better. Okay, now we have our slicer and button ready. Now next thing that we are gonna do is we will go to action property of this button. Let's go to action property, enable the action property, click on this down arrow, and under type we are gonna select page navigation option. And as soon as you select page navigation option, under destination you can see list of pages we have in this report. So you can select any one of these page, and that page will be assigned to this button. So whenever user click on this go button, this button will take the user to this destination page. So this is the first way of creating a page navigation. So you will have to create multiple buttons, and this is how you can assign these pages to those specific buttons. That means you don't need bookmarks now to create page navigation, but this is not even smart way. And what we want is user will select the page from this list and will click on go button, and that will take the user to that specific page. So instead of selecting page name from this list, what we are going to do is we will click on this function sign, and it will open this dialog box where you can select the field value, format by field value, and under based on field you will see the list of tables you have in your report. And here we will select the page navigation table where we have only one field called page name, and we will click on page names field. Click on OK. Okay, now we have assigned this page names field to this button. So whatever is the selection in this slicer, this button will take the user to that specific page. Select both of them. Let's copy them, and you can paste them on all over these pages. Copy paste. So this is how you can copy paste them. Let's click on don't sync. We don't want them to be synced with each other. Okay, now we have this slicer and this button all over these different pages. I go to any one of these page, and from this page name drop down list I select I want to go to this country and venue stat. Let's select this option, and here click on go button, and it will take you to that specific page. So here we need to make sure that we don't allow user to select multiple options, and hence we will go to selection controls and we will select single select on so that user can select only one value at the time. Now if I want to go to bowling stat 2 page, which is the last page, I will select that page name here and I will hold Ctrl key and click on this go button, and that will take me to the page. This is the smart way of providing page navigation on your Power BI report. If you are new on our channel, then subscribe us and visit our channel to watch more such videos. Do not forget to like and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching.